additional information regarding on our report. So, but before that, make out a sheet of paper that you will use in our register. So, note taking, there are 5 hours of note taking. The record reduces the time of lesson from the record. So, you record all the information, all the important information, like what the camera said. So, like for example, in classroom, we always take down, then you summarize the topic that in a way na you still understand it and recite. So because you have the summary of the report, you are now able to recite what you have written. Then reflect. To better understand the topic, you should reflect it to your life or to yourself. Then last, the review. Review what you have written kasi nandyan naman sulat ka pero mo naman i-review. Then for our activities, who can give the meaning of note taking?
The practice.
Okay.
The process of recording information captured from another source.
Routine, can you give the 5 hours of note taking? The 5 hours of note taking is record,
Rewrite,
time,
review.
and review. So, I have here our story. So, for Andy and Mario are brothers.
Record,
They look very much alike. They are of the same age. They have the same birthday. They were born on the same day. Andy and Mario go to the same school. They were of the same grade. They go to school together. They live in the same house. It's because they are twins. Andy is kind and helpful. He comes to school neat and clean. He is always cheerful. He smiles at everybody at school. So Mario is naughty. He likes to play jokes on his classmates. Sometimes he plays in dirty places and often fights with his classmates. He has very few friends. So who can give the main characters of the story? I shall based on what you have written. Andy and Mario. Yes. And
Parang nakinig.
Reggie, can you please describe Andy? Whole sweet and neat, is always cheerful and he smiles at everybody he meets. Who can describe Mario? Ivy. Mario he likes to play in class. Sometimes he plays in dirty places and he often fights with his classmates. He has very few friends. So that's the end of